Hi everyone and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you a unboxing of this Maisto 1/18 scale Mini Cooper assembly line. So that you heard me correct, this is an assembly line 1/18 scale Maisto. And as you can see, I got it off of eBay. I got it for around $40. Which is, I feel like a pretty fair price because these 1/18 scale assembly lines models are kind of hard to find. And through the pictures, it looked pretty clean. So we'll go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. So Maisto did a kind of a short line with these models of these 1/18 scale assembly lines. I'm guessing just because they were I'm actually not 100% sure why they stopped making it. Maybe because of cost or something like that. But they still make the 1/24 ones, which I do have a few of. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and see. Let me get this box. See what we got. So far, it looks pretty nicely wrapped, which is good. See a glimpse of that right there. And there is it. Go ahead and take this plastic out. Paper, I should say. And there it is upside down. But let's go ahead and get it out of that side. Throw this stuff over here. And wow, this is actually in very nice condition, considering this is kind of an older model for Maisto. Yeah, you can definitely tell this is a 1/18 scale model, as you see there, and just by looking at it. And well, that's nice to see. It still has the shipping straps still on it, which is good. Especially with these assembly line models, you kind of want to get ones that are, never been out of the box, because you never know. Some people will take parts out and they lose them or whatever, and then you'll get a model and you won't be able to complete it or something like that. So. Yeah, so it says bonus custom wheels included. And I assume these are, yes, the chrome ones right there. And you have like the flat and matte ones right there, which actually do look good on that model. But I might choose the chrome ones. We'll see in the next video. But here's the Maisto assembly line diecast model kit. Oh, huh. This was bought at Hobby Lobby. $24.99. Okay, that's interesting, because obviously, I don't know if y'all know, but Hobby Lobby stopped selling these, obviously, because these 1/18s were kind of canceled, these assembly lines. Hobby Lobby still carries the 1/24 ones, but not these ones anymore, so that's kind of interesting to see. 8 years plus, skill level 3, and it looks like, yeah, so on this side, on the back here, you just kind of have a diagram of all the parts laid out, and as you see here, it's definitely more complicated than these 1/24 ones. If y'all have ever built one of these or one of those 1/24 ones, but I thought it would be a fun, engaging build. So yeah, so it says Maisto assembly line model kit, highly detailed, opening doors and hood, working steering and rolling wheels. And then you have some pictures of the car with opening features. It's good to see. It looks like everything opens on it, tailgate, doors, and hood. It actually looks pretty detailed in there. We'll see when we're done building it, but screwdriver included, easy assembly, pre-painted metal body. Yeah, so these assembly line model kits from Maisto are very good, I feel like. And I think they're really good detail for the price. And they're a little more engaging, and you can finish those if you've done the 1/24s before. You tend to finish them within an hour or so, but these will be, hopefully, these will be a little more harder. So that'll be pretty fun to complete, and you're not gluing things and doing all that stuff like you would other ones. So this looks pretty and it looks fun. I feel like this is gonna be a fun build. So yeah, so this the next video on this Mini Cooper will be just a review of the 1/18 scale Mini Cooper assembly line. You get out of the box and stuff like that. So, but yeah, so this looks like it's going to be a fun model to build, and it looks pretty good in the condition. And I think the price for $40, if you can find this Mini Cooper or any of their other models for under like $50 or so. I know that, well, I know the 330, the Dodge 330 is a little more expensive. But I feel like if you can find the VW Beetle, new Beetle, or this Mini Cooper for under $50, I feel like it's an amazing deal. You know, these are kind of more harder to find these days. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And in the next video, you'll see this model completed. Thank you so much for watching.